Man, I'm bored. I wonder what I should do. I know something. I will go cough on my mom and make her sick. Ha 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 ha.
Good, let's go.
Hey mom.
What? Oh no, I feel sick.
Michelle, what happened to you?
Lucy coughed on me and made me sick.
She did what? I'll deal with her. Lucy, come over here now.
Oh fuck.
Oh my fucking god, Lucy. How motherfucking dare you cough on your mother and made her sick? That is so fucking it. You are motherfucking grounded for life. And it's time for your ass beating.
Oh fuck no, not the slumber beatings.
Too bad. Yo ass is mine.
Wah 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 wah. My ass hurts.
I don't fucking care, that's what you get for doing bad stuff all the time. Now go to your motherfucking room now. You cunt.
Hey, stop this fucking laughing and cheering, it's not fucking funny. Man, I hate my fucking life so much. Wah 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 wah. Mew 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 mew. I am grounded, and I love vagina, and my motherfucking ass, and love to suck them 24/7 every day. Mew 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 mew.
Lucy. Shut the fuck up.